Yes, what is good everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to upshift without using your clutch. So first off, what you want to do is you want to be extremely comfortable on your bike and confident. You need to be fast. Now with my bike, it doesn't work unless I'm going over a certain speed. But what you want to do is you want to get up to that speed, and then when you're there, come off the throttle like really fast, and then flick up a gear and then come back on the throttle. It's literally that simple, but you need to do it as fast as you can. So I'm in first gear right now. You need to get up to a decent speed, and then you need to quickly off the throttle, lift up, back on the throttle as fast as that. And as you can see, I'm in second gear now. I advise doing it on some private land somewhere so you get used to it. Don't try it on the main road if you've never done it before. But once you do get used to doing it, you're going to be doing it everywhere. I hardly use the clutch, honestly, it's crazy. Like right now, I'm on some private back roads, so you can practice as much as you want. So I'm in second gear. You want to get up to a certain speed and then flick straight up. Off the throttle, flick up a gear and back on the throttle. There's a little hare. A big rabbit. I'll teach you how to downshift and rev match like this in the next video. But for now, I'm going to teach you how to upshift fast like this. You see how fast that is? People will think you've got a quick shifter, but you don't. I was contemplating getting a quick shifter, but I think it's more fun without it. Look, up to a certain speed, off the throttle, flick up a gear, back on the throttle like that. Don't even need that clutch, but you have to be fast with it and confident on your bike, like I said. So yeah, I was thinking about getting a quick shifter, but I think it's just fun without it. You don't need it either. Once you learn this trick, you won't need it. It's just a nice, easy way to get up to speed a lot quicker than having to use a clutch. Now some people are gonna moan and say it's horrible for your bike, it's treating it badly, it's not nice on the gearbox. But if you do it fast enough and you do it the right way, you ain't gonna damage your bike, trust me. So we're in first gear now, 20 miles an hour, watch. And just like that, we're up to fifth gear without using a clutch. Also, when it comes to your throttle, I see so many videos of people getting rid of that little bit of slack here, that little bit of slack there that's in your throttle. I think you need that, man. I don't want the throttle there the second I touch it. I want to have that little bit of play. I don't know, maybe because I'm used to it, but I think it is actually a safety measure for bikes, but everyone wants to try and get rid of it. Don't get rid of it, man. It gives you that little bit of play, because what if you just grab it and then it goes a little bit and you're like, oh shit, you didn't expect it to go, you end up flipping your bloody bike. What a legend, bro. Letting me know that there's police up ahead. Ah, sneaky. Ah, you cheeky boy. Sitting there in the van, trying to catch speeders. Ah, look at you cheeky boys. Feel like I need to pump my tyres up a little bit. Feeling a bit flat. But yeah, if you already know how to use this method, and let me know how you guys do it. How long did it take you to master it as well? I'm not saying I'm a master at it, but I think I'm pretty good at doing it. But yeah, it's rare that I actually use that clutch. When I'm coming to a stop, yes, or when I'm at really low speeds, yes, I use it. When I'm coming down a gear, yes, I use it. But I'll show you in another video how to downshift and rev match perfectly like this. But keep in mind, to upshift fast like that without using your clutch, you do need to be going over a certain speed, otherwise it just won't work. Your bike may be different to mine, but for me, if I'm not going fast enough, it just doesn't work. It will just clunk and then not go into the next gear. Which, if you do it that way, yeah, it will mess your bike up. But we're going to end this video here. This is just a short tutorial to teach you guys how to upshift without using a clutch. Let me know what you want to see next. Peace out.